There are lots of tricks and hacks that we can use to make our work easier in Microsoft Office programs. MBA students at KFM School have been learning such tricks and tactics on the iEvolve series pillar, which has helped them to excel in their education as well as professional life. In this video, we'll learn to write pi in Excel, including its value. To write pi symbol in Excel, click on target cell, type letter P, highlight the letter. On Home tab, change the font to symbol. Now you can see the pi symbol in the target cell. To display the value of pi, select the target cell. On the target cell, type equals to, then pi, select the suggested function, then press enter. Now you can see the value of pi in the targeted cell. Thank you for watching this video.